Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how I save doll hair that's really bad. So this is a Moxie girl and this is her hair so far. It's really frizzy. It gets to about halfway down and you can't get a brush through it properly. It's just a big tangled, stretchy, frayed mess. And after treatment, this is her hair. It makes it nice and soft and shiny and gets rid of most of those tangles. I can get a brush through it, I can run my fingers through it. It makes it a lot better. It doesn't get rid of all the damage at the end, so I am going to have to take off a little bit of hair. Maybe just about that much, but it's better than chopping off that much to get rid of it. So what I do is I use straighteners, and I've got my straighteners on the coolest setting. Now don't try this if your doll's got saran hair or Nylon hair, because you'll just melt it. This girl has got nylon hair. Nylon hair is very heat resistant. You'll know you've got a doll with nylon hair if you do the ball wash and it makes no difference, or it just reduces the bulk but doesn't really help restore the nice texture of the hair. That's how you know you've got a doll with nylon hair. There are different grades of nylon and stuff, but on the Moxies I find it tends to be like this, where each hair is pretty fine. It does break if you pull on it, but it responds really well to being straightened with straighteners. So I am going to straighten her hair, and what I do is, her hair is a bit damp, and what I do is I will take a section like this and just run it very quickly through my straighteners. What I do first is spray on a bit of water to make sure the hair is damp, just to be on the safe side, and then I take the section of hair that I'm working on and just quickly pull it through the hair, pull it through the straighteners a few times. The sizzle you can hear is the water. About 3 or 4 times. I'm not going right to the head because the hair at the top is not too badly damaged. So her hair is shorter, but she still managed to maintain a fair bit of length. The last Moxie girl I did, I had to cut her hair basically to shoulder length, so this is fairly good. She's still got a fair length of hair. I did have to take off this much. That's the length that I took off, so about an inch, just under. There you go. I had to cut off all the frizzy, stretched, damaged ends, because no matter how much I straightened them, there was still some damage. But the rest of her hair looks pretty nice. So all I've got to do now is find her a little outfit. Oops. So that's it. That's how to fix nylon hair with straighteners. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.